Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT or ISM Dhanbad. Admission application form filling already started from 26th of September 2022. This is for event semester, means page 2. First advertisement will come for July session and another one for December-January session. Here you can see all the important things about this form. Here you can see about PhD admission. IIT Dhanbad provide institute assistantship to deserving and eligible candidate qualified through institute selection procedure, thus providing ample opportunity for carrying out research leading to PhD degree. So here you will get institute assistantship if you clear all the process of selection. This is all the important dates. Commencement of online application September 26, 2022. Last date 17th October. Intimation to shortlisted candidate for interview November 1st, 2022. Then interview will be conducted from November 11 to 13. Declaration of merit list November 23. Then fee payment and seat acceptance of merit list candidate November 23 to 28, 2022. Then declaration of extended merit list December 5, 2022. Fee payment and seat acceptance of extended merit list candidate December 5 to 12, 2022. And physical admission and joining of admitted student December 16, 2022. These all are the discipline you can apply. Applied geology, applied geophysics, chemical engineering, chemistry and chemical biology, then computer science, civil, electronics, electrical, humanity and social sciences. In humanity and social sciences there are different subjects like English language, literature, philosophy, psychology, sociology. Then you can apply for environmental science and engineering, then fuel, mineral and metallurgical engineering, management studies. There are two subjects, first one industrial engineering and management, and second one management. Then mathematics and computing. In this also you can go for mathematics or statistics. Then mechanical, mining, petroleum and physics. So these all are the specialization or departments in which you can apply. Institute assistantship. The institute may provide full-time PhD students who have qualified GATE or any other eligible national level examination. Financial assistance in the form of teaching or research assistantship will be provided. Institute assistantship will be also be provided for IIT graduates having CGPA greater than or equal to 8. If you have already passed out from IIT and having CGPA more than 8, then also you will get fellowship. The PhD students will be awarded the assistantship for a period of 5 years. For 5 years you will get the assistantship will be paid at the approved rate as specified by MHRD, Government of India, from time to time. The full-time PhD students financially supported by research project may avail institute assistantship after completion of project, provided that he has qualified GATE or any other eligible national level examination. Means if you are already working in any project or you are applying for PhD, but your PhD or your project duration is of only 3 years. Then after completion of project, last 2 years rest 2 years you will be provided assistantship provided that you have cleared GATE. The maximum duration of assistantship is 5 years. Extension of assistantship will not be given in any case beyond 5 years. Institute assistantship will not be provided for full-time PhD candidates having external fellowship from government sources, namely CSIR, UGC, DST, etc., or part-time candidate, sponsored or external PhD candidate. This is the institute assistantship per month you will get. First 2 years 31,000, then third, fourth and fifth year 35,000. External fellowship from government sources. Candidate having external fellowship from government sources, namely CSIR, UGC, DST, etc., are eligible for admission to PhD programs in the discipline of various departments. The selection procedure will be same. Rules and regulation. The details are provided on the academic web page of IIT ISM website. This is the link. Selected candidates are required to adhere to prescribed rules and regulations issued through various orders by IIT from time to time. Besides, all PhD students need to complete the PhD coursework, including 2 mandatory subjects, namely research methodology, statistics and research, and technical communication, as per PhD rules. This is the program fee. The detailed fee required at the time for PhD program are given in table 4. The fee should be paid through online mode gateway provided during the registration process. The link for payment will be available to selected candidate before the admission, and it will be paid through online mode. Fee payable at the time of admission, you have to pay 61,450. Fee payable this is for unreserved OBC non-criminal layer and EWS, including hostel fee. Winter semester. This is only for winter semester. This is too much. For SC/ST or PWD or transgender candidate, they have to pay 55,450. Part-time candidate have to pay 36,350. Sandwich PhD program. What is this? You can IIT Dhanbad offers its doctoral students the possibility for visiting and working in some of the topmost research laboratory of world through Sandwich PhD program. The program serves to provide the PhD students of institute with an opportunity to improve research capability and to establish or encourage work opportunity in an international context. The facility is available for up to 20 fellowships per year. Selection of PhD candidate is dependent on the fulfillment of certain criteria. Institute offers funding of up to 4.5 lakh for each individual, including fellowship, air travel, visa processing, medical insurance, etc. Means each year they will select 20 candidates to go for any foreign university or research labs to improve their research. What you can tell, they can improve their research capability and enhance their knowledge. Financial support for international travel, means they will provide you everything. So this is the program fee. Application fee: unreserved OBC, non-criminal layer and EWS have to pay 1,000 and others 5,000. This is the link. You have to go through that. GATE, NET, DST, Inspire, CAT, GMAT, PMRF candidate. A candidate who have qualified GATE, NET, DST, Inspire or PMRF or appropriate national level examination is eligible for PhD admission only in engineering, science, management and humanity and social science. A candidate who has qualified CAT, GMAT is eligible for PhD in management. Graduates, IIT graduates having CGPA 8 or more can apply. Project candidate admission procedure also apply to candidate holding position in externally, or if you are already working in any as JRF or SRF, then you can apply for PhD. All things will be remain same. Eligibility criteria for PhD in engineering, you can see if you have masters with 60% you can apply, or anyone having bachelor degree with CGPA 7, then they also can apply directly for PhD, or anyone having MSc or allied area with first class division with 60%, then also you can apply. Same criteria for PhD in science, humanity and social science also same criteria. Management, same percentage criteria. Language proficiency, nothing. Qualifying degree. These all are the research areas. Means if you are applying for applied geology, then your masters must have in these disciplines. If you have, then you can apply. That thing they have given here. Then somewhere research areas also they have given, I think. Selection procedure: the selection depend on number of vacancy and performance of the candidate. The department may adopt appropriate criteria for shortlisting the candidate applied for PhD program. Interview will be conducted for all shortlisted candidates for selection to PhD program. The list of shortlisted candidate for interview will be displayed in IIT website. Medium of interview will be English. Final selection candidate for admission to PhD will be based on their performance in interview. These all are the documents you must have during all necessary document in original in support of their claim as given in application form, especially the ones mentioned below. These all things you have to upload. Final admission. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Share it with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.